Okay, hello the world, hello YouTubers. This is my booster motivation. We are about to start a new live video. Okay, um, as you already know, my booster motivation is the best YouTube channel so far that offer free live training session, and we got new video coming every day. So in the video today, we will have a great time. I hope you are a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber yet, it's time for you to subscribe. And I'm going on the other side of the studio really quick where I can actually start the training. So stay tuned. Okay, as I'm here, you already know my Booster Motivation is the best YouTube channel in the world that offers free live training session. And we are here to spend a good time with you. My Booster Motivation, we always said, our slogan is connect yourself with the energy source that within you. So that's what we do every day. This is our second video for 2022. So let's start. My Booster Motivation presents track and be attracted by new ideas. Okay, it's our 108 episode. It's hosted by me and George. So first and foremost, what this videos is about. This is a wonderful educational presentation shaped as a motivational video, motivational speech, in which I will cover for you how to use the law of attraction in the simplest way possible to step into the existence of attract and be attracted by new ideas that you will use to become successful and attract whatever is in your life. Please, if money is an issue for you at this point of your life, you should use this technique I will teach you to attract a lot of money in your existence as well. But first and foremost, let me quote a great thinker who was born in the Caribbean island of Barbados. New ideas require many reiteration and resentments before they become part of the general accepted currency of thought. This is a quote of Neville Goddard, that you can see the picture over here. Okay, Neville Goddard is a great thinker. It's very important that you take a look at his work. You can find him on YouTube. That will be great for you. The idea I've been trying to get over since I start back this YouTube channel, Mind Booster Motivation, in December 2018, frankly, is still new to come even 2 years after. As today I start to produce this video on the second day of 2022, it comes as a shock for me to see how many things I covered during the last 2 years. But the most important thing to anyone who watches videos from this channel, even after you have seen it for years and years and think you do need it, you believe as I do that each individual needs great motivation to boost their mind, to allow them to fully function and operate as a fully and successful human being dedicated to serving humanity. Meanwhile, I discovered that one is not really living by this principle and has not yet made this type of thinking the key to become part of the imagining tool to create their own reality. I believe they need to adjust themselves quickly to integrate in the daily rituals to integrate in the daily ritual a great motivation process to boost their mind in order to unlock their own success. Because it appears that I identify with imagination and visualization, any human being can attract and be attracted by new ideas that can change their life and the entire world as well. Therefore, this video is meant to teach you that imagination and visualization and action consciously inside the human mind is God in action to me and to any man and woman living on the face of this planet, but as well in the universe. Because there is a fact that the entire universe is a product from the imagination and visualization, starting with the divine creator. Meanwhile, this idea is valuable to everyone no matter who you think the creator is or she is. This imaginary concept is valuable according to the faith of the system of belief you buy to and you hold on as your religious or spiritual practice mechanism to feed on your super being inside of you. Indeed, we all living human beings are all a product of the imagination of your God, regardless or you name it. We also are product of mankind imagination as well, because each male and female human being living in the universe is a co-creator of the creator who granted to us the power of imagination and visualization to create the world we want to live in as we please. Men and women have existed from the past and keep breathing in today's era and will continue to survive to fulfill their existence and the upcoming future. We must be aware that inside of us there is an energy source within, and this is the divine himself or herself embedded in us as an eternal body. Nevertheless, this omni-celestial presence placed on us can be manifest in this third dimension of our everyday reality by using our power of imagination and visualization to attract and be attracted by new ideas that we must transform into action and make them become what they are supposed to be. In today's video on my Booster Motivation YouTube channel, I want each of the viewers and subscribers to be fully aware that you are co-creator working side by side with the creator of the universe as teammates to change and reshape the world you please, or reshape the world as you please. Notice here, I keep repeating changing the world as you please, but not the universe itself, because the power that mankind was granted from the creator is only limited to this world, not to the extent of the entire universe. By all means, we are as human beings in our world, we can modify, transform, perform addition, subtraction, division, and operate change with this world that we are living. Yes, this is one world that we are living in. This is part of the solar system and the Milky Way. This is so far what we know. Okay, that can change at any time, but this is so far what we know as limited as our power can be, because there is more thing in the universe that we must explore to know better. But for the time being, in January 2nd, 2002, when I'm producing this video, this is all we know. This is all we knew, and this is all we know about the universe from now. But see the big picture as we please. By using the power of our imagination and visualization, we can reach out far beyond this third dimension of reality to explore more as we please. As I said it, as limited our knowledge from the universe is from today, okay, we can see the big picture, and by using our power of imagination and visualization, we can reach out far beyond the third dimension of our reality to explore more as we please. That's the power human beings have, because we can travel inside our mind by reaching our imaginary and visual vessels to fly away from where we are now, to attract and be attracted new ideas that can reveal to us a solution what we are looking for to solve as our problem, to innovate, operate, change in our lifetime, and to transform this world in a better or worse place as we please. Okay, it's all about as we please. Therefore, I know that people watch videos on my Booster Motivation YouTube channel as one main purpose is to make a positive impact in the world. I believe you guys who stop on this channel, you got one purpose in life, is to make this a positive impact in the world. As you come in this channel, in this training session, okay, seeking for knowledge, insights that can help you to transform this world into a better place for all of us, because of your good intention and the positive vibration you already manifest before you even finish this talk, before you even see me finish this talk. Therefore, I must give you what I know and I have been used that works for me and for countless others over the years to unlock my personal success and their personal success as well. I must transfer this knowledge to you that you can use it to change your perspective of life, and that can help you unlock your personal success as well. Please pay close attention to what I'm about to affirm here. The maker and the master of the whole vast universe, and I identify that he is the creator living within the human imagination and visualization, is a constant and active force ready to be used by any man and woman who want to, at any place, at any time. Therefore, every man and woman living in this planet should be more careful as what they are imagining and visualizing. What I just said is each individual should learn how to master the thoughts, because by the power of thinking consciously or unconsciously, you are launching the process of auto-creation that will result you attract and be attracted by new ideas. On the second day of 2022, and any upcoming day that will display in your life, dear viewers and listeners, I want you to do one thing. Master your thoughts. Let me repeat it. On the second day of 2022, and any upcoming day that will display in your life, dear viewers and listeners, I want you to do one thing. Master your thoughts. Remember that. Because you attract and be attracted by new ideas in your life, therefore your imagination, vision, and thoughts are at every second in your existence, processing your personal data and change them into facts, things, and reality and results. Okay? This is your reality now. I repeat it. Let me repeat it one more time that you can grasp what I'm trying to tell you in this video. Because you attract and be attracted by new ideas in your life, therefore your imagination, your vision, and thoughts at every second into your existence, processing your personal data, change them into facts, things, and results. that is your reality. By all means, I don't know if you are aware of that or not. I don't know if you're aware of that. It happened, just you manifest this video in your life. Yes, this video that you're watching now, it happened, you just manifested it into your life. Because you are looking for a miracle, a proof that shows clearly you can manifest anything into your existence. That's what you were looking for, that you bump on this video. This tiny miracle is the success you have been looking for. Now you understand the law of attraction, or the law of attraction works. Use it wisely, and your next miracle is already taking form and becoming your new reality. So might it be. My name is Aaron George, as you know, as known as EG. I'm the founder of my Booster Motivation YouTube channel. We are so far the best YouTube channel in the world that offering free motivational training live stream online. Don't forget to subscribe and then hit the notification bell button, and I will see you on the next video. So I did this presentation, this motivational video in terms of presentation, that you can have the knowledge, the information, the insights that you need to become successful. Remember, okay, motivation, it's all about what you need in life, okay, what you want to achieve, what you want to accomplish. If you want to accomplish good things in your life, you must think big, and you must prepare yourself to receive good things. I know for many people, okay, they might think motivation is a joke. They might think motivation is something that people do to, okay, attract people or entertain, for entertainment, or entertain others. Okay, at my Booster Motivation, we don't do that. We teach real stuff. I hope that you will watch this video over and over, and you get the information. I just give you the master key for your success. All right, I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.